right now. I got MG Cannibal, he about to go in. MG came on the black clip and light this bitch up. Let's go.
What up, guys? So today, in my video, we are going to be doing a G23 water pump, or G22, G23 water pump, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and unpackage the water pump. And this is an O'Reilly's brand water pump. They have a year warranty on them. I offer a year warranty for my pumps because they offer a year warranty on their pumps. And it's the same pump, basically, but we're just using the housing of it. We're not going to use the gear. And we have an H22 gear, right? And this is an old one. It could use some cleaning up. It just looks rusty, but it'll be fine. So we got the gear. We're going to go and pull this one off. I have this 3-jaw puller, and it's modified as down there, the little grabbers. I had to take and sharpen them and grind them a bit. So we'll throw this guy on here. I'll probably do this off camera to get it pulled off, but you guys get the concept. Pull the gear off, and then we're going to use my clamp and press the gear on. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick and get this gear off, and then we'll get to the process of getting the gear pressed on. Alright guys, so once we get the old gear off, this is the new gear, by the way. I just kind of sat it on there. They fit on there really well. They just have to be pressed, and then I honestly like to weld them. This one's already been welded once before and taken off, and you know, I reuse my gears. Everybody, if you warranty these out and whatnot, reuse your gears if you do this, because they won't take the old gear and save your old gear for warranty. So that way you can press this one back on whenever you go to warranty them at O'Reilly's. So that being said, I got my new water pump gear, which is a P13. Came off an H22, which I have probably a bucket of these water pumps laying around. So basically, I like to put them in a vise and just press them back on. Make sure that your piece fits in there perfectly like that. You don't want to catch these fan blades or nothing, you'll bend them up. But basically, yeah, once you get that back on, it'll be good to go. And I honestly like to tack weld them, so I would suggest you guys doing the same. Just go ahead and tack at least, you know, one or two spots on the water pump once you get the gear on, and that way it'll be good to go from there. I have to use both hands to actually put this together, so I'm going to be doing this off camera again, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's pressed on, and then also what it looks like whenever I get done doing the welding to it. I like to use a socket whenever I do this. It helps push the gear on just a little bit past the shaft in there. So basically, whenever I do it this way, it'll put it on there like it was factory, and I believe it's just a couple millimeters past, but that way at least I know it's sitting in the same position as it was as a factory one, so that's why I kind of do it this way. But I'm going to continue this. I'm almost done, and I'll show you the ending product here in just a minute. Alright guys, here is the finished product before weld. You guys can weld them whenever you do these. I would recommend welding these gears on. I've heard places tell me just use Loctite on them. Well, I have personally tried that, but I've had issues, and it cost me a cylinder head and some pistons, because the gear actually came off. So me personally, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 little tack welds on each side, and then yeah, this will be good to go from there. And then I ain't got to worry about any worries of any problems of, you know, stuff like the gears coming off and destroying my cylinder heads anymore. So that being said, this is where I'm at now. I'm going to go ahead and tack weld this, and then I will show you the 2 welds, and then that'll be the conclusion to my video. But anyways, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. You know, you guys are awesome. So, but yeah, thank you guys for what you guys do. Like, subscribe, comment. This is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and weld this, and then that'll be the end of my video, basically. Alright, well, thank you guys. Alright guys, now I just got done going to Sheldon's muffler and having my buddy Justin up there welding me up some little tack welds there. and they're pretty even all the way across, so that's good. And I'm about to be shipping this one out. This is a G23 water pump, and yeah, so G23, G22, anything with the VTEC H22 head. Shipping this guy out to a customer, and then yeah, so that's it. Well, have a great day, guys. Like and subscribe.
Hold up. I don't think y'all know what's going on right now. I got MG Canada